there we go. Say hello.
Hello.
Where are we at?
In Paris.
And what are we about to do?
The Eiffel Tower.
That's right. We're in the Eiffel Tower. So
So we're gonna go up.
we're in the elevator right now, so we're getting ready to go up. Here we go. Hello. Oh. There we go. Pretty cool.
Oh, look, the weight's going down.
Yeah, it's the counterweight. It's the pulley system.
Are we at the second floor?
This is the first floor.
We have to stop at the first floor?
I don't know. Ooh. I guess we got to change elevators here or what? Ooh, that's a cool picture looking down there, Paul.